In number 10, we have Matchbox 4.74 solve. In number 9, we have a very special solve because it happened right next to Matt's Falk, the guy who got the 4.74 solve. And Felix Semdex is getting ready to break his record by 100ths of a second. In number 8, we have Yiheng Wang's 3.97 solve. In number 7, we have another Yiheng Wang solve with a time of 3.88. In number 6, we have another Yiheng Wang solve with a time of 3.69. In number 5, we have Timo Koleshinsky's 3.67 solve. In number 4, we have Yushin Du's 3.47 solve. In number 3, we have Yiheng Wang's 3.38 solve. In number 2, we have Shiri Hang's 3.24 solve. In number 1, we have Max Park's 3.134 solve. All the credits of the clips and videos I have in here are going to be down in the description. Go check them out.